right now. Anna Peskova competed in Pyeongchang, not in the slalom events. An 11th place finish in the Super G was her only finish of 3. Peskova being led down by the instructions in her Bluetooth headset by the guide. We saw a question on the YouTube question board yesterday asking why there were 2 skiers on the course. Well, visually impaired skiers are guided. The guide is denoted by the letter G on the bib, and they communicate through a Bluetooth headset in both helmets. Sometimes the skier talks back to the guide, sometimes they just follow the instruction and hope to get to the bottom as quickly as possible with that guidance. The time factored based on your impairment. This is something that spans across all 3 of the classifications. So the clock at the bottom right of your screen doesn't run to a standard clock. Little slide from Peskova as we reach the line under 3 minutes. So Anna Peskova is greeted by the cowbells and the cheering. Kelly Gallagher next up. 33-year-old led down by Gary Smith from Northern Ireland. Already well inside the lead time as expected.
You've got it, keep going, put that work in.
Gary Smith shouting, "You've got it, you've got this." Chance of a World Championship medal for Kelly here. The next challenge for all of these VI skiers is the youngsters coming through. Monika Eigner, just 15 from Austria, looks very good in the World Cup circuit, but here, this is about Kelly Gallagher getting herself across the line, and she's done that. 30-odd seconds inside Peskova as to be expected, and now the challenge is on for the rest, because Gallagher has completed 2 runs. She has got a time on the board, and she is delighted with it. Time for Men and Jen then. Menna Fitzpatrick, Jennifer Keogh. These 2 are proving to be a very good unit. Olympic success in the slalom. Well, gold at least. They had a few silvers to take home from Pyeongchang as well. 2:25.76 to displace Kelly Gallagher, the first Brit to win a Paralympic gold. Patrick did it 4 years later. Orn just got a little off balance. She is just inside, and it's all down to this bottom section. Just 0.03 between Gallagher and Fitzpatrick at the second intermediate. She wants 2:25.76. Oh, that's mightily tight. 1/10 of a second puts Fitzpatrick inside the medal positions. The Fitzpatrick parents are looking on from the side. Now a chance for Lisa Perrine to etch herself into World Championship history and pick up a medal. Bobby Kelly, her new guide for the season. Self-proclaimed legend, she said to me a little bit earlier on. She could be a World Championship medalist at the first time of asking. Should she complete this? The 24-year-old and the 30-year-old Perrine seem to have a really good friendship, not only on the course, which is where they need it most, but off it as well. Lots of smiles, lots of humour. At the moment, Kelly and Perrine going nicely. They're inside Menna Fitzpatrick's time. That's what they need to start with. Guarantee second place if they cross the line this far ahead. Have they put enough pressure on for gold? They are in top spot, 2.89. Any mistake from Farkasova, and that's your champion. Now the wait starts. Henrietta Farkasova only deals in perfection. It's like mirror images watching Farkasova and her guide Natalia Subatova. The one slip they had during those Paralympic Games allowed Fitzpatrick to take the title. A slip here might offer the opportunity for Australia's Melissa Perrine. But a little like Marie Boucher in the standing, Farkasova doesn't miss out on many medals. This would be the 12th World Championship gold medal, and Farkasova is across the line, 8 seconds ahead of the rest of the field. And Henrietta Farkasova is dominant once again. It's a super performance. No issues whatsoever. And it's Farkasova that takes the title. Perrine takes silver. Menna Fitzpatrick settles for bronze. They are the World Championship medalists as it stands. Ellie Gallagher missing out on a medal here by just 1/10 of a second. Fitzpatrick and Perrine did what they could, but all in vain when Henrietta Farkasova is in form. That is all she needs. 2:14.58 is the official time that takes gold for Slovakia. Tiny little wobble there, but Farkasova more than comfortable.